I made a claw machine where you use a real claw to pick up little virtual creatures on a TV. Basically, the setup is there's a TV in the bottom of the claw machine where the prizes usually are that has little virtual creatures running around on it, and then there's a TV on the back of the claw machine that is like a reflection of the scene, and then there's a TV where the prizes usually come out. That's also a touchscreen, um, and you basically use the claw to position over the virtual creatures and drop and grab them, and then drop them in a virtual chute, and then they appear on the front screen where the prizes usually come out, and you can touch them and interact with them in the prize chute. The idea came from basically wanting to play with the idea of a normal claw machine, except for mixing in virtual elements, because I just always like playing with virtual stuff. It gives you a lot more freedom to do stuff you can't really do physically, and it's just fun to mix with the like stuff like a real claw. The little bit technically how it works is we start with a normal claw machine, but instead of going through the circuit board that's in the claw machine, we run the controls on the front panel into an Arduino, and then the Arduino into the computer, and then we have a second Arduino that we hooked up to the computer that we send out commands to tell the claw how to move. And then there's also a distance sensor on the back and right of the claw enclosure to measure the distance between the claw and the back and right walls as it moves around. And that's how I was able to know where the claw is positioned over the TVs. And then on the computer, there's a game that's running, that's rendering everything, and also like also getting an input and saying out to tell the claw what to do. A little bit about the digital part. The idea was there's little cute creatures that sort of remind me of like plushies that are normally in a claw machine, and they're sort of just in this environment where they can run around doing their thing, and then you can grab them, and they're designed to where they have little spots where they hang out for a short period of time to make it easier for you to grab them, so that they're not just like constantly moving around and you gotta try to like grab them as they're moving. And then the back TV is supposed to be water that's reflecting the scene. I just like the idea of, I just think water is pretty and like the idea. And then the chute is supposed to be like a little portal that you go in the one portal and come out the front portal.